Hello everyone, this is Shagun Singh, and today we are going to do an experiment to see the refraction of light through a prism. So here we have an equilateral prism. First of all, we are going to put two pins on the incident ray like this. The ray which strikes the surface is known as incident ray. Now we are going to put it back. Same like this, we are going to put two more pins on the emergent ray as well. So the ray which comes after the refraction is known as the emergent ray. So as it is done now, we are going to see them from a different angle. Like here we go. So as we can see that all the pins are visible in the straight line, and the black pins are kept in the same position, but still we can see them in a straight line. So now we are going to remove everything to label the diagram. So first of all, this is going to be our incident ray, and this is going to be our emergent ray. As we all know that the normal is always of 90 degree, so here we have this blue line as our normal, and now we are going to measure the angle of incidence. Whenever we measure angle of incidence, we always have to measure from 90 degree. So we have our angle of incidence equals to 60 degree. And now same like this, we are going to measure emergent angle of emergence as well from 90 degree. So we have angle of emergence equals to 37 degree. Now if we extend emergent ray backward and incident ray forward, they would intersect at a point and form an angle. This angle is known as angle of deviation. Now we are going to measure it. So we have angle of deviation equals to 40 degree. So here we are done. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.